The code here is that any wall above 9 feet has to have fire blocking. So it's horizontal. What's that?
What is that difference here? Because like I'm still confused on what the fire blocking is. Like, does it just try to buy time for you to get out?
So I'll explain. So fire blocking are horizontal blocks, 2x4, 2x6, whatever, that make it so that if there's a fire in this stud cavity, it's going to slow it down. Air is not passing from one floor to the next floor. So the idea is that you block air from one floor to the other. If there isn't that blocking, that's called balloon framing, where you have studs that go from the foundation up to the second floor. And that's how old school San Francisco houses are built, with balloon framing. And what would happen is that you have a lot of air passing through those cavities, and it can take a fire up really fast. So again, time. Time is your biggest variable factor here. If you can slow it down, that's the ideal. So fire blocking is required by code now to slow down fire. There's also fire blocking, it's kind of ironic, but it's a spray foam that has a chemical in it. So some places you can't seal with wood, you have to seal with other materials, and there's a fire blocking spray that you have to use. So, pipe penetrations and stuff like that. Yeah.